Let me see. Where you go? Look there, look at it. Hey everybody, what's good with my you guys? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so right now I'm super excited for the kids. So I'm in the backyard. As you can see, they're going to pool, they're going to gazebo. You know, I'm just out here hanging with the dogs. I think my girl dog is pregnant, but that's another video for another time. And I get a ding dong ring alert. Y'all, the kids are about to be super excited. So, that's my dog. He over there. He mad. But yeah, so let me insert the video now.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
So yeah, as you can see, Santa was at my door.
Santa's coming to town.
Santa! Oh my God!
So if the kids don't know, and I don't even know what he left, like, I'm totally confused. Why was he here? What is going on with this situation? Like, did he bring me keys to a Bentley or something? Like, I need to figure this out. So I'm about to go in the house, you guys. Like I said, the kids, it was a ring, so the kids don't know. It could pop up on my phone. So I'm gonna find out with the kids what was just left by Santa, you guys. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you in a second. Say welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. So all you guys sit down, and I want you to go in order. I'm gonna go youngest to oldest. Imari, what do you want Santa to bring you for Christmas?
A hello.
A what?
A hello.
A hello.
No.
Jamon,
No,
what do you want
hello.
Santa to bring you for Christmas?
A robot.
Robin, I think you're on the naughty list though, but I asked you
big
anyway.
robot.
What do you want Santa to bring you for Christmas?
Yeah. That's really your turn and it's me. An Elsa toy.
Jordan, what do you want Santa? Oh, oops, shoot. I went out of order, but whatever. Jordan, she's so much bigger than him. What do you want for Christmas, baby? What do you want Santa to bring you for Christmas?
An iPhone.
Yanni, what do you want Santa to bring you for Christmas?
I want an iPhone. Mama, I want an iPhone and an earphone. And a robot. The only one thing, Jamon, Mama said IO 5.
You want an IO5?
No, iPhone.
An iPhone 5?
No. Yeah, Jamon, you have to get an iPhone 5 9.
So who all buying me something for Christmas?
Me.
Who all got money?
Me.
I think some of y'all lying. I think the only one got money is one person.
No, you got me. And Donna get off me. Jamon got.
Oh, what? I got an alert from Ring on my phone. Who's at the door? Y'all told me nobody went at the door.
I heard somebody. I heard a jingle sound. Someone knocked. I heard it.
Did you press play?
No.
Oh, Santa! Was that Uncle Coop? No, Santa! Santa!
What did he leave at the door?
I didn't know that. Santa! Santa! Mama, did you get it?
Huh?
Did you get it?
Did he leave anything? I didn't see him leave nothing.
I saw it. He's holding the bag. He left.
What?
He left a package.
Huh?
He left a package.
Who's going to get it?
Me.
Who's going to get the package?
Get it, yeah. It's a package. What's that, Santa? Is that wrong? He left something.
Can we open it?
Huh?
Can we open it?
Yeah.
Thanks, Santa.
Did he leave?
Yes.
Did he leave?
He left something.
Oh.
A jingle bell thing.
Let me see. Let me see.
Wait, it's not locked Look at
Let me see. What is this?
Imari Jaman Jr.
It says to Imari Jaman Jr., Jordan, Robin and Isla, Tiani from Santa. And it say it's approved by Santa. Say from Santa Claus from the North Pole. From Santa. Free shipment.
It's
Santa,
urgent.
Santa.
It's urgent. Come on,
Thank you, Santa. Thank you. What is the jingle? It's a jingle bell.
Ready?
Huh? Yeah, go ahead. What is it? What did he leave y'all?
Let's see. Whoa.
He did not leave us the elf on the shelf. He did not. We don't need an elf on the shelf. Okay, now let me read it back.
Yeah.
Okay. From family. Oh! What's this?
What the heck? What the?
What do it say?
Dear, my assignment has begun. As you know, Santa sent me here. I am his friendly little helper. I will be his eyes and his ears. Each evening, I will leave, flying back to the North Pole. Report your behavior. Will you get gifts or a lump of coal? Each day with a new visit, a new hiding places where I'll be. Make sure not to touch me or my magic will surely flee. So what do you mean like not touch?
So, I don't know. So, let me see. This is a letter from who?
Santa?
From
Oh, love.
Yo, who do?
Wait, it doesn't say. It just says love.
love, meaning they love you.
Okay, leave that.
Mama,
So basically, let's see what it is. What is it? Open it.
open the shelf.
This is bad luck.
Oh, it's an L.
Oh, look at the book.
So I guess Santa brought y'all elf for the shelf. So what he does, kids, is he basically watch over you guys all day, and at night he go report to Santa and tell him if y'all been bad or good. If you being bad, you don't get nothing from Santa. If you being good, then you get something from Santa on Christmas.
Touch him.
And you can't touch him. If you touch him, then it's bad luck and you don't get nothing for Christmas from Santa. You can never touch him.
Santa's real.
Yeah, you didn't think he was real?
No.
Why?
I didn't get buried. Mama, why didn't you give us some present? And I heard a
That's your
jingle,
present.
And I heard a jingle sound.
You heard the jingle sound, Robin?
Yeah. Will we be back? No,
If you be back, then he go tell Santa that you was back.
Elfie!
Oh, yeah! Elfie!
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Mama, what if he be somebody else in the Santa thing?
It wasn't. It was Santa.
So, where's some sleigh?
I didn't see it on the thing. I don't know. You want to see it again?
Yeah. Why he got on gloves?
It's cold outside.
Each day.
He left? So he jingles me that this is
Y'all can try it. Go.
Let's Santa give us on Christmas. Well, let me go put on my jacket.
Is he coming?
What is it?
Y'all want to ask Dada if he seen Santa?
Yeah.
Ask him. Say, did he see him? Because he came.
Dada, do you saw Santa?
But who's going to put him on the shelf?
He stay in his box. You don't never touch him. I can't touch him. Nobody can touch him. He stays in his box.
He just had to watch us, but we can't touch him. Or we get no presents.
Mm-hmm.
Mama, and what happened when we touch
Listen,
and then we get We get a call for Santa.
No, Santa just won't come on to Christmas.
Y'all do not look.
He goes down the chimney.
If y'all touch his elf friend, he don't never come.
What
It
would
says,
we
make
touch?
sure
You don't touch nothing.
not to touch me or my magic will surely flee.
So quickly we can get Santa.
Shush, Mark, stop doing cartwheels.
Wait, magic surely free means Yaya.
He means he's leaving or something. I don't know.
I'm watching you.
So what's the rules? Do we touch the elf?
No.
Yes.
Tiani?
Never ever touch the elf. We never ever touch the elf before he tells Santa. We want
Definitely.
presents, so we're not touching the elf. And I want that the cat it scratched that. Yeah, the cat was. No, I didn't see it.
Is it good? Honey, is it good? Is it good? What you about to kill yourself? Chew, okay? Chew. Before you throw up, chew.
Jim is still
I'm
watching.
about to call him.
He's looking right at one of y'all right now. Who are you looking at?
His eyes move like, no, they didn't. I'm about to touch him.
No.
Let me see. Let me see if I want Santa to bring in.
No. No.
I'm gonna just touch him when y'all go to sleep. You're not getting nothing. I'm about to call him right now.
You don't know the phone.
Yeah, I do.
No, that's fine.
What's up with my gang?
Okay.
Subscribe to the channel and press.
Oh, thanks, supposed to press.
Gimme.
Just down below. Press the button down below.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, so we were supposed to be doing the outro, but she wanted to hit you with an intro. So, yeah, like she said, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below any videos you guys want to see us do for Vlogmas.
Any videos what we want to do, and then just tell us in the comments.
In the comments.
Hey, my sister pulled me out of here.
Y'all, so thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 3. Stay tuned for tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 4.
Number 3 or number 4?
This number 3. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.